If you want to add a link to your x.com or Twitter bio, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add your website, portfolio, YouTube channel, store, or any other link to your profile in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to drive traffic from your profile and make it easier for people to find your content. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open X, also known as Twitter, and go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping or clicking your profile picture, then selecting your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change your name, bio, location, and website information. Now click Edit Profile. A profile settings window should appear. From here, scroll down until you find the website field. This is the section where you can place the link you want to show on your profile. It could be a website, a landing page, a link tree, a YouTube channel, or even a product page. Once you've found the website field, click inside it and paste or type your link. Make sure the link is correct before saving. If you want, you can also double check that it includes the full URL so it saves properly. This is especially important if you want the link to be clickable and easy for people to open. After you've added your link, go to the top right corner and click Save. That's the final step. Once you save it, your new link will appear on your X or Twitter profile for anyone who visits your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your x.com or Twitter bio. This is a super useful way to promote your content, share your work, and send people exactly where you want them to go. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.